time to change your mailing address. This beautifully renovated 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath home is the definition of moving ready. Step inside where luxury vinyl flooring flows seamlessly, giving the home a modern, stylish feel. The kitchen? Oh my God, it's a dream. Picture yourself preparing meals in this kitchen with elegant granite countertops and a layout design for ease and beauty. When it's time to unwind, step out to your private fenced-in patio. Whether you're hosting a barbecue or reading your favorite book, this space is perfect for outdoor relaxation and fun. The upgrades are endless. Fully renovated bathrooms, new roof, new plumbing, and a new air conditioning system. For added convenience, you get your own designated carport and a private storage unit. This is a prime location with just a short drive to top-rated schools, the Westmonte Recreation Center, the Altamonte Mall, and the new I-4 Expressway, giving you quick access to downtown Orlando and the theme parks. So don't wait, schedule your tour today. New year, new home.